Hello, welcome to LUISA Bakes. Today's video is all about this amazing peach cobbler cheesecake with brown sugar oven roasted peaches and a cinnamon crumble filling. So without further ado, let's get started. The first step is to make the graham crust. So we're going to add 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs into a bowl. And for sweetness, we add 4 tablespoons of white sugar. To pop it up, half a teaspoon of cinnamon and 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Then mix it with a hand mixer until it is combined. The mixture should resemble the texture of wet sand. Grease a springform pan with butter and line it with parchment paper. Fill in the graham cracker mixture and press it down firmly with a glass or a spatula. The crust goes into the oven for about 8 minutes until it's golden brown. The next step is to make the oven roasted peaches. So I have here slices of 3 nicely ripe peaches, and I tossed them with about 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon for a better flavor, and 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Just mix it until everything is nicely coated. Then take the peaches and line them on a baking sheet in 1 layer. Try to keep some space in between the peaches so that they can roast evenly. And then bake them for about 12 minutes until they are slightly soft. The next step is to make an easy cinnamon crumble. We just need 1 cup of flour, mix it with about 5 tablespoons of cubed butter. For flavor, add 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. This makes a really easy and flavorful crumble. Mix it until combined. You could even use your hand or a dough cutter. Then toss the crumble on a baking sheet. Spread it out evenly with a spatula and then bake it for about 8 to 10 minutes until the crumble is crunchy on the edges. Now let's make the cheesecake batter. For that we need 32 ounces of cream cheese. It should be soft and at room temperature. Then add a little bit of flour. This gives it stability and reduces the risk of cracking. For sweetness, add about 1 1/3 cups of white sugar and about 2 teaspoons of vanilla. For more tartness, I like to add fresh squeezed lemon juice. Then mix it on a low setting. This is the most important step of making a smooth and creamy cheesecake batter. Then add the rest of the ingredients, which is 1 cup of sour cream, which also helps with the texture. For stability, we're gonna add 4 large eggs. Then keep mixing it on a low speed until it's nicely combined. It is really important to mix the cheesecake batter only on low speed to reduce air bubbles in the batter. Now it is time to fill the batter into the baked and cooled graham crust. We're going to pour a little bit more than half of the batter into the crust. Then add the roasted peaches and spread them in 1 layer. You can use a spatula or your hands. Then add a little bit of the cinnamon crumble and just sprinkle it all around the peaches. Remember to save some crumble for the topping. Then you can top it with the rest of the batter. Just pour it slowly all over the filling. Make sure to cover the peaches completely. Smooth it with a spatula and then bake it. After it is baked and cooled, we're going to decorate the cake with some more peaches. Just line them in a circle all around the top surface of the cake. Of course, do not forget about the cinnamon crumble. Just sprinkle it all on top of the roasted peaches. And that's it. This is my peach cobbler cheesecake with brown sugar roasted peaches and a cinnamon crumble filling. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Happy baking! Bye!